So this is my 1.6 HDI Peugeot partner engine, and if your power steering fluid is really, there is a lot of fluid around it and it's not dry at all, most likely the cap is leaking. So I'll really show you how you can fairly quickly and easily fix that, and this will be completely dry. Stay tuned. Okay, so if your reservoir is really a lot of fluid around from the engine sloshing or the power steering reservoir sloshing, and it doesn't really make a seal and basically spills over, and you've got all sorts of power steering fluid around it. So you can see mine is completely dry. I mean, this is really absolute dry. There is no fluid anywhere. And it's not because I've cleaned it just now and you can see it's rather clean. It's because I've generally the power steering cap, there is a small seal inside that kind of seals and doesn't let the power steering fluid spill over. But with time, either with opening, I mean, you have to really check every couple of weeks the level of the power steering fluid. I don't really do that frequently. But from opening and closing, this seal really perishes. So what I've replaced it with and how I solved to be completely dry, how to seal it. So I really bought this neoprene washer that is actually perfect, M20 neoprene washer that's actually a perfect diameter and perfectly seals around. So these are all the description of the video. You can check out this neoprene washer, and so you can see there is a slight groove here, and that goes all around. So this is this little lip here, so it actually perfectly seals and it doesn't really let any power steering fluid. The neoprene washer, it's just a neoprene washer, and that's it gets scorched, and I don't think there is actually any seal originally on this cap, so that's why it was spilling. I mean, this is just a plastic on plastic, and it just generally just spills over. So I have a brand new washer of this M20 washer, so it basically really fits perfectly. You have to just slightly squeeze it on top. Let me push it. It's a rather tight seal, so you have to quite push it. So you see, it's actually a perfect. This is extremely perfect fit. So if I close this, you'll see how the rim of the power steering fluid will make indentation. So let me see. So it's well, you need one needs to kind of be leave it there for a while, but it actually will squash down, and like this is my old one. Eventually, it will create a perfect seal. Not eventually, but straight away will create a perfect seal. So let me close that one. Probably have to apply some pressure and then see if the indentations come on. Yeah, there is a small indentation here and there. So I mean, this is it. So if you really wanna remove all the spillage of the power steering fluid, I mean, get these neoprene washers. They're very cheap and they seal perfect. I mean, I've had this for yeah, probably about 2 years now, and it has lasted perfectly. And you will have no more spillage around the power steering reservoir. It will be nice and clean. So hopefully that's useful to anyone. Subscribe, please let me know any comments in the comment sections, and thank you very much indeed for watching.